Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at what is the default heat for your CPB heat plate for your iPad. So you have your iPad placed on this heat pad, and the default temperature for the iPad is 90 degrees Celsius so 90 degrees Celsius, and it is set on a timer of 25 minutes for this CPB device. Now after 4 minutes the temperature will goes down to 75, and at that constant rate it will stay at that constant rate until the timer is down to 0, and this will allow you to heat up your iPad so that you can remove the screen.